This is going to be 2 trades from today, and they are sped up about 3 to 4 times the regular speed, so they're going to go pretty fast. But this is a retest of the overnight low from today. You can see how I got in. I had to stop in case we go over top or over that overnight high. The delta is kind of falling apart there, so it was working with me. I want to get through that first area that I just highlighted on the volume profile, and you'll see that it does, give it a hard time because I thought that would be the area, or the first area that we would need to get through. Otherwise, it might, try to come back up and maybe move higher. And then you can see my second area is kind of that knob I just pointed to, and that's also the A low. So I thought that would be the next area that we need to get through that I need to watch. And as it starts moving down, it's going to go pretty fast. But as we flush through that area, I bring the stop down just to secure that much right there. It pops open or pops up and takes me out. Now this trade, we're obviously stepping down. The delta's falling apart. So I was just looking for a pullback, and I think I got in a little bit too early, but that's fine. And right there, I added a contract. That first contract, I would like to take it off. I was shooting basically where it's at. That's the value area low, that green line in the volume profile. But I kept watching this, hoping it would just start, kind of flush through there. But I thought I would take this one. If I could get below that value area low, I'd take the first one. As it pushes down here, I go ahead and take it. And the second one I'm trying to hold because if you look at the lowest red line, that's an old high. The delta's falling apart. So I feel like, it's kind of working with me. And if we move lower, like I said, I thought we would at least go to that area, and I wanted to be out before we got there because I thought that would be an area that they would, uh, you know, hesitate and maybe do a little consolidation there, and then I could pick it back up. And that's exactly what happened later in the day after this trade. As it pushed down, I thought I was going to flush right through there here. That's why I moved that target down a little bit. But as it gets close, I'll close this. I wasn't going to wait for an exact touch, so right there I closed it.